Hi, my name is Dr. Shomeek Mukhopadhyay. I'm the CTO of Obsidian Advanced Manufacturing. And what we're bringing to market is a revolutionary new 3D printer in which we actually focus a beam of particles, not actually powders, but atomic scale plasma-based particles onto a substrate. And this is actually three-dimensional printing as it was supposed to be for metals and ceramics, as opposed to taking, for example, a bed of powder and locally melting them, which is what normally people do nowadays. So in fact, our printer looks roughly like this. As you can see, I'm holding it in my hand, and it's the size of a plastic water bottle. And we feed our material in the form of either a rod or a wire through the central core. All the action takes place over here. We have an argon gas feed line to protect the material from getting oxidized, and the material comes out through the central hole or orifice that we can adjust for size if required over here, and it all goes in a substrate. The entire thing will sit behind me on this table and will be operational very soon in our new third generation 3D printer.